What's up YouTube, back here again with another video, and today we are going to do another how-to, and that is how to hook up the Tramp HV. Now this is not a new VTX by any stretch of the imagination, but this is my first one, so we're going to go through, connect it up, and hope it works. Now I'm thinking about switching over to Tramp because most of my VTXs are having much trouble with Betaflight 3.3 and Butterfly and the upgraded versions that are going to be coming. The, I guess, knockoff smart audio is not working, and I bought a Unify, but I broke it in my first flight. It like tore the antenna off, so it's unusable. Anyway, I got a Tramp. Let's check this guy out. Let's see what happens. And this is the high volt version, 2 to 6S, so you can stick this guy on to any voltage that you need. I already have that prepped, so let's just get into this box and we'll see what we get. Alright, now this was $29.99 from Race Day Quads. This is where I got it from. Alright, let's see what we got here. USA, so I like that. What is this little doohickey? What is this doohickey? Race Programmer. Okay, so I believe this is the little board that receives the signal from the programmer, the little controller, which I don't have, so we're going to skip that. We're going to use Tramp telemetry. See what we got underneath. Alright, here's a little card, support, Immersion RC, like us on Facebook, stickers. We got some wires down in here. That looks like the one we're going to need. And it looks like we got a couple other options. Maybe this one. I guess this one would hook directly up if you wanted to power it. And then this looks like a camera. Yeah, power ground video. That looks like it'll just go right into the camera. You can save yourself some trouble there if you don't have OSD through your board. Let's see. I think this is the one we're going to want. It's going to be power. Alright, so this is the one I'm going to use. So we got our positive in, ground, 5 volt out, video, telemetry, audio. So let's see. I don't know what this camera has. If this camera even has audio. I don't think it does. Ground, OSD, voltage sensor. So we're probably going to lose audio on this guy. Alright, so we got an SMA connector here. There's a little button to control it. Our UFL is nice and glued down. It's nice and stiff, so I like that. You know, that's not going to go anywhere anytime soon. USA QC pass. Alright, let's just kind of move that. So we're going to stick this guy down. Not sure which way yet. We'll see once it kicks on. We don't need the race transponder. And looks like I flicked out some 3M tape. Over here we got some, looks like VHB. Or something of that sort. Some foam tape. Alright. Now this is the different, you know, the TBS Unify has the two like ears on the side for the screws. This has the little bolt. So this is going to work well in my rooster when we get to that step. Alright. Now this is going to go like this. And this is going to sit here, so we don't need much wire. So we don't need much of this wire. I'm just going to pop this off. And we're going to whack this guy down. Let's just go here. Power, ground. Five volt, we don't need that at all. Pop that baby off. Video, telemetry, and we're not going to use audio because the camera doesn't have an audio out, so we're going to lop that off. Let's prep these wires. They are nice silicone wires. And they're copper underneath, which is different. Usually they're the aluminum or the silver line, whatever that is. You know, when I think about it, I don't know what that is. I think it's aluminum. Would it be aluminum? Huh. Interesting. Interesting. Yeah, most of this stuff is like the white color. Anyway, skipping past that. Alright, I'm gonna bend these guys up. I'm gonna prep these bad boys. Now, again, like I said, this is the high volt version, so you can power it off of VBAT up to 6S. This is a 4S build, so we should be good. Now, I'm also running the camera off of VBAT, so we're gonna have to, I'm just gonna put these guys together a little bit, and we're gonna stick them on the same pad. And this is gonna be running with the Predator. All right, now this part, you know, is going to be different for all kinds of boards. This board here is a Kakute F4V2. So I always struggle when I'm back at the camera. All right, let me get a better angle here. These pins are so damn tiny. All right. Now this first pad up at the top corner is VBAT. All right. And then this line I have running back here is for LEDs that I have on this. All right. Next is the video down the line on the outside rail here. So this is going to be video out. So you're going to want to hook that one to your V out. And ground's going to go here onto the ground pin. And then this, which is a little long, for your Tramp telemetry. Not smart audio. You're going to put that on a spare TX. All right, TX of a UART. That's TX6. And I already changed that UART to accept the IRC Tramp. So that's in your ports tab of Betaflight. Okay. Now let's plug this guy in. All right, now I also, so we're gonna run that like that. So I got a cover for this to kind of protect the gyro. And then that's gonna go like that. So that'll be good. We're also gonna be trying out the new VAS Minion. All right, from Video Aerial Systems. These are also made in USA. So if you're gonna buy an antenna, buy theirs because they're made in USA. So support a USA vendor, or USA manufacturer, which is very different than a vendor. All right, so we're gonna leave that guy there. Let's power this bad boy up and get to the screen. Okay, so we're powered up. I have it all connected, and I got this little light here. I just went through and tried to scan for the channel. I don't know what channel we're on, but we gotta be transmitting because it's black. So something's gotta be happening. And we got our cards here. Let's see what we got here. Tramp button UI, that looks like English. All right. Band setup, band A, B, E, R, F. All right, long press 5 seconds, exits the setup menu. For much simpler user interface. Okay. Channel setup, short press, 1, 2, all the way down. So let's see. This guy's already getting hot. Come on now, what the hell's going on here? This button is working like shit. Oh, let's see, we have some action happening now. We just got to get it transmitting, and then we can get into the all right, so here we go. I had a little wire crossed up. I had the video in and video out wires touching. So, okay, so we're back here. We're on channel A7. I did pop that button a few times, but that's not the easy way to control this guy. So we're on, and let's check telemetry, features, Tramp. There we go. So that's awesome. So we're definitely connected. It says we're on Fat Shark 1. iFly Race Band 8 is my channel, and we're going to leave it on 25 for now because I don't want to burn it out because it is getting hot. Alright, so we're going to roll around to R8. Boom, there we go. So that's it. We got telemetry working. That's the Tramp. It's hooked up the same as all the rest of them. Let's unplug this guy because this thing does get warm. And it seems to take a second to boot up. Like when you... So it was just running, you seen. So we got no video. No video, no video, nothing. Not touching nothing. And now it boots up. So it does seem to take a second to boot up once you plug it in, but once it's up, it's working, and this is running on Butterfly. So I had problems getting, this is a RDQ Mach 2. This is supposed to work on Butterfly, but it wasn't, so whatever. We're on Tramp now, we're all good, we're hooked up. There you go. So that is how to Tramp HV. Thanks for watching. Review of the Minion. All right, the Minion antenna, the Mini Ion is coming up probably next. There you go. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one.